Wearing jersey number 2, IMP Mendoza. Wearing jersey number 25, Figueroa Patillo. Wearing jersey number 19, Rafael Pelé. Wearing jersey number 31, Eman Hernández. And wearing jersey number 26, Ken Humaway. Head coach, Mr. George Duggar. Assistant coaches, Pedro Agna and President Solana. Team manager from the Mario Mendoza. Municipal Mayor, Honorable Attorney Dave Guayo. Vice Mayor, Honorable Elson Dillon, Sports President from the Mario Mendoza. And the Assistant Chairman, Honorable Jesse Marie Nestor. And our officiating referees, Upper One Legal Somali.